Social media company Reddit, with their popular Wall Street Bets platform, which gave a lot of attention to meme stocks like AMC and GameStop, went public today. The IPO target was $34 and opened at $47 for an increase of 38%. At one point, Reddit stock was 60%. However, now it's about up. Now it's about in the $47 range. In my opinion, I'm personally not buying Reddit stock. Usually after IPOs, the stock usually declines about 10 to 20% within the first month. However, also early investors and employees of Reddit who were able to get into Reddit stock at a very low price when Reddit was private, they're not allowed to sell stock for a range of 3 months to 6 months. This is a lockup period. And the reason there's lockup periods for IPOs is that it decreases the volatility of the stock price and it gives more faith in the company for investors to hold on to their stock a little longer. And it's also good for the underwriters as well, and it gives more faith and trust to the underwriters too. And so in my personal opinion, although Reddit is kind of compelling, it's not profitable yet. They have a lot of data and a lot of users, but I'm personally not looking at the stock until the lockup period of 180 days passes, because by then that's when early investors and employees could sell their stock. And historically by then the stock is usually lower than their IPO open price. So I'll be looking at Reddit about 6 months from now to see where the price is and to see if they're making more money and getting closer to profitability. Additionally, this is good news for the IPO market, in my opinion. Although I'm personally not buying Reddit stock, the fact that we're starting to see more IPOs in general is a sign of a healthier economy, and there's more faith and optimism in the economy, and that translates well to the stock market. Some parts of the stock market are overheated, and I think we're due for a short-term pullback and correction. But although I'm waiting to buy Reddit stock, or at least after the lockup period ends, the fact that the IPO period is starting to warm up, I think, is good news.